Hi guys, I hope you're well. My name's Antonia. I'm a chiropractor in the south of England and my clinic is called BodyFit Chiropractic. My treatment style combines the regular kind of adjustments and joint mobilisation that you expect to see with a chiropractor, with a lot of emphasis on soft tissue work, nerve release, work to the tendons and ligaments as well. In my opinion, you can't just treat a joint if the muscle is dysfunctional or if it's pulling on the joint. If you relax the joint, it feels good for a little bit of time, but then the problem's still there. So my whole treatment ethos is have to combine the two. You can't just relax a joint, because if the muscle's dysfunctional or tight, it's going to aggravate it again, and vice versa. So the results I get, the feedback I get, I believe is because I combine the two. I give a lot of exercises and stretches and rehabilitative work for the patients to do at home, again purely because I treat people for 40 minutes and I don't want to treat them for too long. It's what they do at home, it's what they do at work. It's about finding the issue and correcting that problem and giving them the knowledge and letting them understand what the issue is, so that they don't even need to come and see me anymore, because they understand what the problem is and they've corrected it themselves. So the benefits of treatment in general are that you understand your problem, so that you don't even need to come and see the chiropractor anymore. That's, in my opinion, how it should be. I do a lot of training myself, so I do weightlifting, I run, I've done horse riding, pretty much tried every sport there is. That makes my passion for treating athletes, my kind of passion for what I do, the exercises I give, that's where that comes from essentially. I have made YouTube, I have an Instagram which is bodyfit_chiropractic, but I wanted to have longer videos. I wanted to be able to reach a larger amount of people and to share my knowledge. I feel that if you have knowledge to share, you should. And yeah, so I'm excited for this journey. What you should expect to see in my channel, so I'll be giving a lot of exercises, stretches, advice on different conditions, different problems that we have. If you have any questions, if you would like me to make a certain video, please pop it in the comments and I will definitely make them. Fitness, I'll be including kind of workouts, days in the life, nutrition, all the fun things. I treat a lot of athletes and bodybuilders, so I may be putting a few kind of treatment clips in there as well. Because of the way of my treatment, because it's quite different to most therapists, that's why I get quite a lot of the athletes. I think they realise that if you've got a dysfunction, you need to really kind of target that dysfunction as opposed to just masking the symptom. I think that's why I get the results I do. But yeah, I'm excited for this beginning of a new chapter. Please kind of follow my journey. If you have anything you'd like me to make a post on, if you have any feedback, please let me know. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to include a couple of clips that you will see on my Instagram if you follow me there, essentially showing the treatment styles I do. It'll give you a bit of an idea of the kind of combined approach that I follow, and give you a taster of what's to come essentially. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you enjoy the videos, and yeah, I will see you soon, I'm sure. Thank you. Nice and relaxed. Good, cooked already. Good. And then you it. On the other side. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Good. Okay?
Yeah. Needed that.
There we go. Feel that difference?
Yeah.
On your tummy, your impingement here,
yep.
You're then going to have problems with inflammation.
Yep, that's exactly.
So we break that down by the pressure we put in. So you'll feel a sharp pain, and then you'll feel it easing down.
Yeah, this is already eased.
Good. So if you've got an irritation, you're going to take a bit more weight on the other side.
Yep.
Good. Clicks are fine. So these ones here can just send sensation down into the hands as well.
Yeah, actually on the kind of outside of my hand as well. That's weird. I feel it in the bicep a little bit as well.
Yeah, it's going to send it down. So anything kind of nervy. So if this is tight, you're going to not be able to retract it as well.
Yeah.
So then you're going to be compressing the space more, irritating the nerve more.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay. Just compress that nerve space. These cause headaches on the eye, ear, temple, jaw. Traveling anywhere, or just very push? Good. Nothing into the head?
No.
Perfect. Look to the left, look to the right. How's your neck feel?
Feels great.
A little bit looser, hopefully.
Yeah, it feels really good. actually.
Feel better than it was?
It's not cracking either.
Good.
Normally it's like...
A little bit better?
Yeah.
Good.
So much better.
Better? Good. Good. Legs are fine. Good. Feel it opening?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Okay. Good. Not too bad?
No.
That's good. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
Even.
Wow.
Good. That's the last time, did you?
Oh God, yeah, massively.
Good.
I could sleep better.
Yeah.
You know, everything was
Good.
just great.
Good. And the knee pain wasn't there?
No, it wasn't for quite a few weeks.
Good.
And I know I haven't been for a while. It's quite nice.
It should feel quite nice.
Yeah.
Good. So not all treatment's horrible.
No.
This is tight, pulls it up, the glutes are tight, pulls it in.
Right.
So that's why they get tight in this side. And then you can then develop kind of left-sided shoulder, left-sided neck and ankle pain as well. Where do you get issues up here?
I get through here and then in my
On your
jaw.
left side?
Yeah.
Okay, well that will be, that's fine. So again, the nerves are through here, so if
Yeah.
there's tightness, it can send it down. The muscles through here can cause headaches as well. Good. Does it travel anywhere? Just try push.
It's just travelling down my shoulder. 5. Nothing
2,
there.
1, relax. Feel
Yeah.
looser.
Yeah.
Good. Look left, look right.
Like
How's
that
that
old
feel?
side. Yeah. Yeah, loads better.
Good. Move your shoulders around. Big rolls. Any problems? No, shoulders got tight again and it can't retract. It's going to pull forwards and then just pull up through here. You can get a tennis ball in this area as well and kind of lean into it. Well, over Christmas we all sit a little bit longer than we normally used to.
Yeah.
So it can just generally tighten these areas up. This one can't contract, so it can't pull it back.
Yeah.
Your traps and your chest is tight, so it's pulling it forwards.
Yeah.
And that's when you get that pain around the front. Good. Last one. Actually, the muscle, so we're gripping it in, and you're trying to activate it, so it's going to be essentially ripping it a bit more,
Yeah.
but in a good way. So you're starting. Good, well done. The difference?
Yeah.
There we go. Not too bad, because oftentimes it's not where you feel that that's the problem.
Yeah.
Cool.
No.
Similar to how you train. So when you train, you're breaking down the
Yeah.
muscle to let it heal again.
Mhm.
We're doing the same thing. Stretch your finger out, stretch your finger, touch the floor. Good. We'll just see how it, anywhere where it would have been sore before.
It's usually when I do this, I feel it, but I can't. No.
How's it feel? Not now?
No. Oh yeah. It feels much
Sorted.
nicer.
Good. That's
Yeah.
how it should be. Good. Not too bad?
Mhm.
Okay. Good. 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 Okay. Your pelvis. So if it's tight, it hooks it up and then it strains in here.
Yeah.
And that's why you can get that pinpoint kind of pain when you're kind of leaning backwards or you're deadlifting. It's all through your pelvis. So if there's an irritation in here, that's why heavy deadlifts you can then get pain during.
Yeah. Yeah. Whilst I was doing the deadlifts, I felt like a pain like up here on this side.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's tends to be if one area down here is a problem, it then goes all the way up or even down. So you may even find you get shoulder problems and ankle problems. You were going really, really heavy. Maybe you kind of came forwards a little bit more, so you didn't have your shoulders down and back as much.
Yeah.
And then it strains in the ribs.
Yeah.
Good. How's that feel?
Yeah. Not very nice.
So moving the shoulder blade out of the way just means we can get a bit. Any pain?
No, nothing.
No?
No, it feels nice and
All
loose.
the way out they go, quick and ready. Good. That needed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Yep.
Clicks
Felt
are
good.
fine.
Yeah.
Good. Needed it, didn't it?
Mm. That feels much better.
Let's break it down before I then go in.
Yep.
So it's a little bit nice. Your QL, so it connects your rib to your pelvis.
Yeah.
When it's tight, it pulls everything in.
Yeah.
And so that's why it then puts more pressure through the discs and nerves in here. And that's why you then get kind of nerve symptoms down. 7 first. Anything going down the leg? Any numbness or tingling?
Yeah, a bit of tingling, like going down into my foot.
Okay. That's just because there's nerves through here.
Yeah.
So they leave the spine and they go down the leg.
Yeah.
So if you've got some irritation, then it's normal to get a little bit of feedback. How's your neck feel?
Yeah, that's fine.
Good. And then move your arms. Still attached.
Yep. Yep.
Feel a bit looser, hopefully.
Yeah, that's better.
Good.
Yeah, it doesn't feel because it was a bit of a dull ache
Yeah.
earlier on. But that
It feels
that's
better.
much better.
Good. Good.
Yeah, much better.
So push them up, good, and then stretch your arm to the side. You feel it stretching the rib?
Yeah, I do.
Feel it?
Yeah.
One more, lean and twist away. So lean that way. Got stretch in the chest? Yeah. Good. Then 90 degrees on the shoulder, bend and twist. You feel the difference?
Yeah.
Pec major and pec minor, and you feel all the way through here. So it starts here. Firstly, palm back, head away, and you can feel a nice increase in tension. Hold it for 10 seconds, and then bring it in. Palm, head in, and goes away.
Yeah.
Good. And palm back again. Head back, hold it for 10. Just breaking it down. You'll find that over time it gets less. It's fine to have a sensation down around different points. Okay. Twist. Go on the side. Then tuck the chin down. Feel the differences? So you have it all the way in here, which is where your pulmonary area is, okay? 20 seconds hold to each point, repeat 3 times in one go.
So do both sides?
Do both sides. All of these do both sides, okay? It's good for stability. Towards the other side. Good. Feel the change? Good. Back side. Just going all the way through here.
Yeah.
Over the other. Feel the change?
Yeah.
Good. So on the other side. Good. That one's a really nice one. It's gentle, so I'm going to hurt yourself. Extending your back slightly. So if you do it again, what you're doing is you're curving that
like
it
this?
out. So what you don't want to do is that you want to keep it straight. So kind of keep more of a hunch.
Yeah.
Do the same thing again. Do you feel the slight difference?
Yeah.
So you've got more ab control.
Yeah.
Because you're kind of doing what I do with the block. So you keep it there. It activates through here more. So if you then focus on squeezing here, make sure your shoulder is under your elbow is under your shoulder a bit more.
Yeah.
And then do the same thing again. So keep that controlled. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
It's it should be a little bit harder.
Yeah.
Because you're not. So if you go back to where you were going before. Do you see how you're arching your back?
Yeah.
So what you want to do is keep it in. So lock that in. Do the same thing again. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah.
It's harder because you're having to activate through here.
Yeah.
What you're not doing is you're not using the ligaments in your back, because what you were doing is when you extend, it compresses this area and it causes that disc irritation.
Right. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's probably how I've done it then, isn't it?
Yeah.